Now we are discussing about money making options. In that, today we are discussing about start email marketing campaigns. The number of email users is projected to surpass 4.5 billion in 2025. Therefore, email marketing will remain powerful for generating leads and turning audiences into customers. The key to executing a successful email marketing campaign is to build a quality email list. If you have your own website and a pop-up email list registration form with a personalized call to action button on the landing page. Other methods to encourage email subscriptions are discounts, free shipping, giveaways and pop-up surveys. The goal is to cultivate anticipation for your email updates. The next step is to formulate and send email newsletters. Platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact can help manage email campaigns. They offer tools to track sales, engagement, and audience growth. If your website runs on WordPress, try installing a newsletter plugin for better email automation and a more straightforward email building process. Lastly, conduct regular WordPress A/B testing to determine the most effective email strategies. Likewise, you can do email marketing is also very good option, but email marketing, don't give to the regular personal, don't give emails daily. It will give a headache to them for personal emails, but organizational emails you can give email marketing. But in email marketing also, one concept, if you send, you should have the gap of 1 week. Email marketing, especially shopping malls and companies and product based companies, to introduce their company's details, it is very useful and healthy marketing. The customers also will read, and if they like it, they like it. Otherwise, they will share the same email to others also. So that business will be increased. But only one thing is, you should be very moral ethics you should maintain. And email marketing, once if you send one email, means you should not send another email in that week. Likewise, if you maintain such things, it is very useful. And personal emails, don't send personal emails. Organizational emails will be there, and institutional emails will be there, and likewise product based companies will be there. By that, you can send the email regarding your company, that is product based company or service based company, whatever it may be. If you send an email, they will read and understand, and they will be by that they can get good leads. You can get good leads also. So email marketing is mostly useful, but you should not give any disturbance to the regular personal emails. That is that moral ethics you should maintain. It is also a very good purposeful service. Email marketing campaign is also a very good purposeful campaign. But it should have, if you maintain all these moral ethics, you will be successful in this also. Wishing you all the best.